Hello guys, so how are you? Hope that all of you are doing awesome. So today we will talk about mesothelioma lawyers, the top asbestos attorney in the US. So let's start. The results of asbestos exposure are devastating. The Center of Disease Control and Prevention reported in 2009 that 18,068 Americans died from mesothelioma from 1999 through 2005, an average of about 3,000 patients per year. According to estimates, another 1,500 died annually from asbestosis, while the number of asbestos-related lung cancer deaths has been set as high as 8,000 per year. The toll continues to climb. A former Assistant U.S. Surgeon General Doctor Richard Lemon told us U.S. Senate in 2007 that another 270,000 to 330,000 deaths are expected to occur over the next 30 years. Often the asbestos victims are those who can least afford the expensive medical treatment required to fight the disease. For instance, the construction and maintenance industries account for thousands of patients. Asbestos-related disease often deprive families of financial security during retirement years. Even tough, many of the companies that manufacture, distribute, and use asbestos continue to profit. A former assistant U.S. Senate Senate in 2007 that another 270,000 to 330,000 deaths are expected to occur over the 30 years. Choosing a mesothelioma lawyer for the diagnosed with the mesothelioma, hiring an established lawyer mark the crucial first step toward holding companies accountable and seeking compensation from the damages caused by asbestos exposure. Choosing a mesothelioma lawyer is a very personal decision. The ideal lawyer is not only equipped with the resources and experience necessary to get you the compensations you deserve, but also responds to your needs, empathic to your unique medical situation, and wholly invested in your family futures. Before partnering with a lawyer, it is important to ask questions to help you determine if he is or yes, they may include how knowledgeable are you about different options for seeking compensation, what is your track record with trust fund claims and miscellaneous lawsuits, can you be easily reached to answer questions I may having during the process, you have the resources needed to make case successful. You will find few lawyers can surpass the experience, resources, and compassion legal help the vets and Luxembourg attorneys have provided asbestos victims for the more than 13 years with 13,000 asbestos cases under our belt. We ready to help even more families seek justice. Now your options. More than one avenue of compensation exists for mesothelioma cancer patients and their family. Depending on your situation, you may choose to file a personal injury or wrongful death lawsuit and to submit claim against the Absostra bankruptcy trust, no matter what path you ultimately choose. With Luxembourg, lawyers are committed to making process simple and stress-free to give you more time to focus on your health and your loved one. Proven track records. Damages associated with mesothelioma cancer can include pain, suffering, loss in income, and piracy treatments, and not covered by your health insurance, making it even more vital to hire an attorney who can offer a high chance of success. Wits Luxembourg has 3 decades of experience in the law of and proven track of winning absolute lawsuits and large settlements. Recent viral verdicts include $119 million for a group of five mesothelioma victims, $25 million to two New York mesothelioma victims, $53 million for the brake mechanic who died from mesothelioma, $35 million for a former asbestos removal worker who died from mesothelioma, $49 million for a boilermaker who died from mesothelioma. Experience you can trust. One of our court victories came in the historic consolidated trial on behalf of 36 shipbuilders exposed to asbestos at the Brooklyn Navy Yard in the 1940s and 1950s. The verdict, a $75 million victory that changed the landscape of asbestos litigations over the last 30 years. Wits and Luxembourg lawyers have helped more than 50,000 clients navigate the most trying time of their lives, offering significant personal attention while winning a remarkable 8.5 billion from asbestos verdicts and settlements across the US. Attorney who stand behind you. Mesothelioma remains as incurable as it's unpredictable. The right mesothelioma lawyers can help provide clients with a sense of stability, peace of mind during a period of incredible emotional and financial trauma. Wits Luxembourg dedicated team of attorneys, investigators, and support staff defines how a successful asbestos litigation firm should fight on behalf of its clients. Our attorney handle most everything for you, making the whole process easier. If you have an important question about your case, you need to know, you can get in touch with our Mesothelioma law firm as soon as possible. Our attorney will walk you step by step through a legal process, making sure you are notified of every development. We also have experienced comprehensive client relation department that calls on 24 by 7 to answer questions and ensure that all your needs are more met effectively. You will find few lawyers can surpass the experience and resources and compassion legal help that Wits and Luxembourg attorneys have provided asbestos victims for more than 30 years. We serve clients nationwide and have mesothelioma lawyers at office in California, New York, and New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, with 33,000 asbestos cases under your belt. We are ready to help even more families seek justice. Hear from our clients. I want to thank you for the care understanding you have shown to us during the very difficult past 2 years. You presented the case and facts in such a way that assured John's dignity and integrity. Your skill and expertise has brought the lawsuit to very successful conclusion. Resource to make your case. Identifying when and where you were exposed to asbestos is crucial to lawsuit. Without this information, it may be difficult to file a claim. Our mesothelioma attorneys are familiar with common asbestos containing products and companies and can help you gather evidence related to your asbestos exposure. We set standard our complex case management of and prescription handling cases of every size with comprehensive resources and sophisticated technology that smaller firms cannot support. Discuss your case for free. Every asbestos your lawyer working for Wits and Luxembourg is proud to be firm's reputation and for providing effective mesothelioma legal support for workers diagnosed with the asbestos disease. United States News and World Report and the peer-reviewed publication Best Lawyer has recognized our firm as the National Law Firm of the Year in the category as a Mass Tort Litigation Calls Actions. Plaintiffs, Wits, and Luxembourg attorneys are regularly lauded as super lawyers and rising stars of New York metro area, and our founding partners have each been named New York City Lawyer of the Year. If mesothelioma has altered your life and you are seeking compassion, Wits Luxembourg will be proud to handle the legal burden without contributing to additional financial concerns. Cases are handled on contingency basis, which means you pay nothing upfront and we receive no fees unless we obtain a verdict or settlement on your behalf. The consultation is free. With 4 offices, our firm has an unparalleled ability to fight on behalf of our clients, wherever they have been to live. With Luxembourg locations, please connect our offices at 866-930-3197 or fill out a form to speak to one of our experienced absolute attorneys. Thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and if you have any question about related to that topic, you can ask me in the comment boxes. Thank you.